Hello, business leaders. Because you are in the driver's seat of improvement and innovation, we are inviting you to participate in our 5-part mini-series focused on helping you reach new heights within your converting operations. Each of the 5 episodes will bring new ideas to century-old processes and business practices. We'll take you on a journey to new and creative ways for reducing operational costs, improving converting methods and tooling results, and preparing your operations to take on larger and more challenging opportunities with profitable returns. We'll share knowledge and concepts needed so that you can deliver first-in-class results to your customers. We will present you with information to help you differentiate between a die maker and a tooling solutions provider. Let us help you transition your converting operations from good to remarkable.